Hey guys, welcome back. It's Chris. We're gonna do a taste test in this video, and I just got back from Green Planet Grocery, and I know it's a mess in here right now, but I'm gonna show you what we're gonna try right now. We have the buffalo bitchin' sauce. This dip is nuts. We have Unreal. We've already tried these, but I picked them up, and we're gonna try these soy curls. You guys all know soy curls. I know you guys have been asking me to make something with soy curls for years now. So we're gonna hydrate these and try to make something yummy. And this vegan mac and cheese, delicious. It says delicious. I don't know if it is delicious, but we're gonna find out. I'm going to do this with none other than No Egg Craig. Okay, this is like gold for these guys.
Do you guys? Oh, you guys like it, don't you?
They love it. Okay, so we got a physique size version. We got an indie size version. Sweet potato. All right, we have to make the food before we can eat it. So I'm making the vegan mac and cheese. Basically, we're just gonna boil some water and throw it in there. The battery died.
You just gotta deal with it in the zombie apocalypse. You gotta get batteries when you come.
We need candles, you know? That's what happens in the zombie apocalypse. So that's all you do with this. And then we're gonna put it in the packet like that. Over here, I have the soy curls. We are hydrating them now, so they're soaking in some water. And then we're gonna put a little bit of flavor in there and, you know, season them up in the skillet. The cast iron, I mean. The cast iron skillet. And then we're gonna go eat.
What do you think? We just waiting for food to be. Oh,
Don't lick me. Zeke.
I have a girlfriend, you know.
Alright, I rehydrated it, I flavored it, seasoned it, and now it's cooking up. The pasta's still cooking. Let's be up here. Alright, so we have here some mac and cheese. Yep. Okay, we are about to try the mac and cheese. This is vegan mac. What is the name of the company? Just vegan mac? Or Pamela's?
Oh yeah, Pamela's. Good old Pam. Pam Beasley's macaroni and cheese.
Oh, Pam Beasley's. Organic pea protein, organic sprouted brown rice flour. There is some palm oil in it. So there's a bunch of ingredients here.
I'm ready.
Xanthan gum. Yeah, so we're gonna try it out without anything on it. And just in case, we have our
It smells amazing.
buffalo hot sauce, just in case. So that's what it looks like.
Yeah, let's do a close up. We gotta cover
Yeah,
our
because
faces.
we need a picture, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that smells really good though.
We're gonna try it. And I didn't put anything extra in this like I usually do. I usually season it with more than just the packet, but this is just the packet.
It's pretty good.
It is.
I like it.
It stands alone pretty good.
Yeah. I wouldn't say it's like the best vegan mac and cheese I've had, but it's pretty good, especially like for how easy it is to make.
And the other thing I made were the soy curls, which I just hydrated them in some water, pressed all that water out of there, and then got a skillet really nice and hot, put an onion in there, and I just seasoned it up with a bunch of different seasons. I put a little bit of...
I got a new phone.
Oh.
I still don't know how to work stuff.
Craig's got a call over here. Hi, cat. We have soy curls here.
Very plain mode.
There we go. So what I was thinking about doing is why don't we, just because I'm gonna try a little bit on its own and then I'm gonna mix it in with my mac and cheese.
Good idea.
So if you want to do the same thing, go ahead.
Skim a little off the top. And
Here it
mix
is.
her in.
And it has really no taste to it until you flavor it yourself. So if it doesn't taste good, that's your fault.
It smells good now.
It's pretty good.
Kind of reminds me of like summer.
Who's she?
Buffalo.
Oh.
The season.
Oh. Yeah. I put some buffalo sauce in it. I put some soy sauce in it. Some different herbs and spices.
Yeah.
You really gotta flavor it up to make a nice stir fry with it.
Yeah. It's got like a nice texture. It's like different than tofu, but nice texture.
Make like a Philly cheesesteak, but also if you mix it together with your mac and cheese, it's almost like you got kind of a hamburger helper, but a soy curl helper.
I've never had soy curls before, but I'll probably pick them up. It's good.
$5 for that bag, and you can make an entire. You could probably make that last in portions for make a weekly prep or something.
Yeah. That's a really nice texture. I like that a lot.
It goes good with the mac and cheese too. Ingredients is whole non-GMO soybeans. That's it. So these actually are not bad. They're not bad for you. And you can put them on pizza, barbecue, curries, tacos, fajitas, soups, rice.
I probably will because that's really good.
Yeah. I took one of those Siete tortillas and I crisped it up, cooked it up, cut them in my own tortillas, and we're going to use these to try out the buffalo sauce. Since I have tried this before, but it's been a while, so.
Is it one of the almond flour ones?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
That's the almond flour one. It's hard to open. Hold on.
Oh no.
I wish I had my knife here, but I don't. I have a fork.
Could have had a knife.
Oh yeah, it's Sting.
A dagger.
That's Sting from Lord of the Rings. When it glows, that means orcs are around. Glows blue.
Uh-oh.
Purple. I should have like after effects.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna take one of these delicious. These are vegan, soy-free, gluten-free, paleo, like it matters, but chips.
Hey, if you're vegan and have a paleo friend over, you guys can enjoy it together.
That's good. And a kick of spice. That's what I remember. Now I remember it. Super good, but spicy. A little bit too spicy for me.
That's bitchin'.
But still, it's almost like a smoky flavor. Is that from this?
I don't know. I'll have to try this on its own.
Whew. It would probably even be good if you took a little bit of that and mixed it in with our mac and cheese. So yeah, those tortillas are super good. Also, super expensive. My friend moved. She's moving to Iceland. She gave me everything she had, and she gave me a package of those. So I'm lucky. Because I probably never would have bought them.
Yeah, they're good and crunchy.
You know.
I'm trying this with the mac, and I'm going to try all three. The trifecta.
I'm going to do that with the last one right here. Put a little bit in there and there. Got the soy curl.
This is how you eat in an apocalypse.
Yeah.
Whatever you can get.
Oh, yeah.
You just mix it all together.
I mean, Carl eats that whole thing of pudding. We're eating, you know, this is kind of pudding. So now we can finish our...
Oh, I already did.
Craig
Can
already
you tell I
did.
was hungry?
I didn't know. No. So subscribe to the channel if you want more of these tasting videos, I guess you call them.
I'm always down to eat his food.
Yeah. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, survive. Watch out for zombies, and I got beanies that say vegan zombie on them now. So check that out.
You think Indy heard a zombie?
As soon as I said zombie, yeah, he probably scared some zombies away. We'll see you next time.
These are pretty good.
Yeah, get some more of those.
Man, good.
Now the real video starts. Soy curl apocalypse.
This would be good in like buffalo dip.
Yeah, maybe we should make it for the Christmas party.
Maybe.
Maybe you'll see it. Maybe in the middle of the dip. The thing is, if somebody buys these, I could see them not liking them if they don't flavor them right. But that's their fault. They don't flavor them right, and they're like, oh, I don't like these. Maybe I'll do a video how to flavor them right.
You could call it "Stop Cooking Your Soy Curls Wrong."
Yeah, start cooking your soy curls right.
Like, you're doing this wrong.
You're doing this wrong and you didn't even know.
So how'd you cook these?
The right way. Okay, video. Go at it yourself. Here, you can.
Oh, alright. If I have to.
There's more upstairs.
Alright.
It's just Craig. Good night, Craig.
Got anything to say for yourself?